Yes, all are right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection as you are using the internet. So today we're gonna learn on how to set up NPV Tunnel VPN. This app it's available on Google Play Store. This app, in case you set it up accurately, the app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And to get this app, simply head over to Google Play Store. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you install the app. It's called NPV Tunnel. And you search, and among the presented, you pick this one. This is the app. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of the channel. You are highly welcomed into today's guide. So when you open the app, you will land on its home screen. So when you reach on the home screen, you consider the app to work, it needs or it requires a particular configuration. So today I'm gonna show you on how to create one and set up the NPV tunnel in order to achieve a reliable connection, extra protection, and also to secure a connection when you are online. So today I'm going to show you step by step, so make sure to watch this video from the start to the end so that you don't miss any of the important steps which will be mentioned in the video. So the first step is you are required to set up or to create a configuration. So you open Chrome, and when you reach on Chrome, in the search bar you search for first SSH V2Ray. So you search for that, and among the presented you pick for this option named dynamic V2Ray server. From here you will be required to verify if you are a human. Please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on the channel so you land on the list of servers. And from here you will be required to pick a server. So you can either pick this one, or you can browse around the list of the pages of the servers, and in your desired location you pick your desired server. For example, this server is from Singapore and this is from US. So among the two or among the presented, you can browse around the list of servers right here. But for today's guide, since it is educational, let's create a server from Singapore. So you tap on create a V2Ray account right here. As I was telling you that in case you are new on the channel, please take the time to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future coming content. And when you tap on create account, the page will load, and when it loads it will take you to this particular page where you will be required to enter a username, to also obtain a working SNI, server name indication. And the other thing you will be required to do is you must verify I'm not a robot, and after doing all that you'll be prompted to click on create account. So let me take you step by step. The first step is we will need a server, like a username. You can use any name or any username you prefer, but for the sake of the SNI you must obtain one. It is not random, you must get one, you must generate one. If you have it, you just simply paste it here or you write it here, then you proceed. But if you don't have it for your particular country, let me show you on how to get one so that you can set up this app in order to achieve a stable connection, extra protection, and also to secure your connection when you are online. So the SNI is very important because it will enhance the connection. So in case you use a correct SNI, the connection will be successful and you enjoy a more stable and a secure connection when you are online. So you open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. From here you need a particular app which will help you to get the required SNI of your country. So when you reach on Google Play Store, search for the app. It is called CoffNet. So among the presented you pick this one. This app, it's on Google Play Store. It will help you to generate the working SNI of your country. So you open the app and you land on its home screen. From here, you'll be prompted to click on SNI generator. And from here, I recommend you to tap on this button which says select country, and you will see a list of countries. Scroll along until you see or you find your country name, and in case you don't find here your country name, you can comment it down below, but make sure to check before you comment so that I can help you. But I think most of the countries are listed right here. So you come here, and when you reach, you pick your country name. Please note that a SNI from a different country where you are not from, it will not work in your country. So make sure to pick a country where you are located. I think the point is noted. So for demonstration purposes, let me use this country name. Let me use Ukraine. And after picking your country name, you click on generate. And you give this app a few seconds for it to generate the SNI. And the SNI will be generated down below. And as you can see right here, you can tap on the next button and the app will present you the other SNIs. Just when you tap on the next button, the app presents a new SNI. And when you get a particular SNI for your desired country or a country you are from, you tap on copy. And when you copy, you go back to make sure the setup is accurate. You must check if this SNI is working. And if the SNI is not working, you can go back and then you pick a new SNI as I showed you previously. And this is how to check if the SNI is working or it's down. Open Google, then you visit where you see host. So you search for host checker. So when you reach the host checker, you visit this website, host checker. Paste here the copied SNI. Then you click on SSL check. This particular step will help you to verify whether the SNI is working or it's not. So click on SSL check, and the result shows that the SNI is still valid. And in case you get a different result, for example, this one could not retrieve SSL certificate. This indicates that the SNI is not working and it is down, so it won't work. So make sure to read the results, and the SNI which is working must present that the SSL certificate is valid. So in case you confirm with the SSL certificate or you confirm that the SNI is working, you go back where we were and you paste here the working SNI. So first of all, you enter a username, just like that, a random username, which you will be able to remember. And SNI, you paste it here. Remember, we have just generated this SNI, and if you skipped that step, go back and watch it. We have just learned on how to get one. And after that, we are required to verify I'm not a robot. And you give this app a few seconds, it will be able to verify this reCAPTCHA. So after that, you scroll around and then you click on create account. Go back and then you wait for this website to generate your dynamic V2Ray account configuration, which will help us to set up the NPV Tunnel VPN in order to achieve a super fast and a stable connection, extra protection, and also to get enhanced connection when you are online. You copy it by tapping on this copy button. The copy button is right here, so you copy, and after copying it, kindly head back to the home screen of your device. But you need another extra app, and also the app, it is on Google Play Store. This app will help you to do some changes. You'll be able to do some changes to the configuration. V2Ray Tunnel VPN. So you open this app after installing it. You open it. This app will help you to edit, to do some changes on our configuration. Tap on this plus button. From here, you click on import from clipboard. This will allow the app to obtain the created dynamic V2Ray configuration. So from this app, you are required to do some changes to this configuration. And the first three setting is where you see remarks, you can remove what is there, and you put a name you prefer. So the key configure, like the key change or the main change is where you see address, you remove what is there, just like that. You remove what is there, and then you bring it down here where you see SNI. So you paste it here, then you bring what is there on what was here on the SNI, then you bring it up here where you see address, and also where you see SNI, you copy it again, you bring it where you see WS host. Then the other changes are you can be able to edit this username, I mean the remarks, and then you put there any name you want. For example, NPV Tunnel, just like that. You can put there any name or any remarks. Let me hope you understood what was done in this particular step. In case you didn't understand, you can rewatch, but all this is done to make sure that the app works, all the configuration is set successfully. And also take note that in case you miswrite or you have errors in typing the SNI, or you make some changes, the setup will not be successful. So make sure to watch, and then you understand what was done right here, and then you click on save. And after saving the configuration, you tap on this pencil like here, right here, and then you tap here on the three dots, click share, and then you click on export to URL. Then you copy by tapping on this button right here, and after doing that, head back to the NPV Tunnel app. And if you are still watching up to this minute, you have not yet subscribed, I recommend you that you subscribe on the channel. Comment in the comment section where you need help. I will be able to help you out. And when you reach in NPV Tunnel, tap on this add button, add configuration button. From here, tap on import from clipboard. Then opt for V2Ray config, and your configuration will be put in place. And that is the accurate way of setting up and configuring NPV Tunnel, and those are the steps which are followed in order to create a configuration of NPV Tunnel. So all this is done to set up NPV Tunnel in order to achieve a reliable, a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So after doing that, you tap on this configuration once, just like that. Then you click on home, and the last setting is to activate the app and start it up. So you tap on start, and you can see that the app is right connected. And that's how we set up NPV Tunnel to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And if you didn't understand any of the particular steps, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section so that we are helped, and I will be happy to help you. Please like, share, subscribe on the to this channel. You subscribe to this channel for more useful content. And before we close up, in case the connection keeps failing or the app can't connect, please make sure to change the SNI. It may be down, or you can change the server, the V2Ray server. When you are creating, you create from a different country. And also you can double check your settings to make sure that you are accurate. And when you do that, the app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And also, that's it for today's video, and let's meet again.